As a would-be engineer in the future, the first thing he needs to be fully familiar of is the safety and security standards of the company he wanted to apply for. One such example is the industrial safety system. This type of system is a countermeasure, especially crucial in any hazardous plants such as oil and gas plants and nuclear plants. They are used to protect human, plant, and the environment in case the process goes beyond measures. As the name suggests, these systems are not intended for controlling the process itself. Rather, it is used for protection. Process control is performed by means of process control systems or PCS and is interlocked by the safety system so that immediate actions are taken should the process control systems fail. Process control and safety systems are usually merged under one system called Integrated Control and Safety System or ICSS. There are typically two types of industrial safety system in the process industry, namely the Process Safety System or PSS and the Safety Shutdown System or SSS.
Created using Powtoon.